Hi, this is Timothy. Welcome back to the Anti-Framework Core series. In today's session, we dive into what domain cars are, so how to create them and their roles in developing applications. What are the domain cars? Domain cars is actually can be defined as a model represent a view or entity within a application. For example, um, about the we provide example. For example, is employee. You can show you. So here use actually before you create the employee, you have to create the folder here. You add the folder and then type model. Okay, because I already created, I no need to create the model here, and then under the model you have to add class new item and then type employee. Okay, and the add I already create employee. This is employee. I show you. And then you have to add the property. The first is integer and employee ID, and secondly is a string. It's a first name, and the last name also is string, and the last one is a long integer. Right? And then you have new and other car is manager. The first name is string, and the last name also is string. And also I will also introduce other property layer. So actually, I introduce method start by organize your domain class into folder called models. And then keep your project structures. And then I introduce how to create an individual class to represent each entity. For example, I showed you before that if you have employee entities, you create a class named employee. And then define the property that belong to this entity. For employee, this may be I showed you before that employee ID. This is a unity identified. The employee first name and the employee last name is a string. To kickstart at the property in the C# here, you can handle softly to type above and type tab twice. This helps you to quickly slide the property attribute of your domain class. So that's all. So thank you for watching. If you are already subscribers, I appreciate your support. If not, do consider subscribing to my channel for more content on Entity Framework Core. See you in the next session. Bye bye.